My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Toyota Yaris. This vehicle has done just under 67,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our screen you can access radio. To the right we have trip information, vehicle settings, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.